So if you're currently stuck inside the house and are safely social distancing, you may be looking for some easy home projects to work on. So grab that box of baking soda that I know is already in your pantry, because I'm going to show you 5 things that you can clean with it. Number 1 is your mattress. So take the baking soda, sprinkle it all over the top of your mattress, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then grab a handheld vacuum. So another thing you can clean with baking soda is your stainless steel sink. So just take the baking soda, sprinkle it all over the bottom of your sink. Then take a sponge, you can dip it in white vinegar if you have some on hand, and start scrubbing. When you're done, just give it a quick rinse. To clean stained coffee mugs, all you have to do is make a paste of 3 parts baking soda, 1 part water. Then use a toothbrush and scrub away all of the stains. You can use that same paste then to also clean tarnished silverware. Just dip a clean cloth into the mixture and use it to scrub. Rinse off the silverware and make sure to dry it before you put it away. Then keep that box of baking soda in your fridge to keep it smelling fresh.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Sisko, Home Director for Real Simple. I've been at the brand for over 10 years now, and I've had the opportunity to interview cleaning experts, organizing experts, decorating experts, and a few of those tips that they shared with me along the way have really stuck and become part of my own routine, including the right way to vacuum. There is a right way. So what you want to do is start along the edge of your carpet or your rug and push forward in a straight line like you normally would. But the thing that most of us do wrong is we go too quickly. We push forward, pull back really, really fast because we just want to get the chore over with. But if you push forward and then pull back slowly, that's the key. And what that does is it pushes the nap or the fibers of the carpet or the rug, it lifts them, and then as you're pulling it back, it pulls all the dust, debris, crumbs, and things that have gotten caught in those fibers along with it. So push forward, pull back slowly, and then overlap that first line for your second one by about 50%. So push forward, pull back, all the way across. And then another trick is to go not only back and forth, but also side to side. Again, pulling back slowly, and this will change the direction of that nap and really make sure you get the cleanest clean.